What's good, my web station gang? It's your boy Ishway, and we back again with another Cypher episode. You know we had to do it again. I'm about to call up my boy, yeah? He about to do the things. It's Ranger.
Hey, will you blame me if I speak my mind? I've seen a lot of families fight. Partner left with broken heart, kids grow without their mom's pops is never around. A lot of shit to figure out, but it's kitchen music cloud. Really social media lives, song is funa lama lives, trend good and abazal. That's not real life, man. Those are real lives. Spilling a chance, fake it till you make it, son. We all about the hype, fun. I'm a weekend out. If you just depend, you get fasting, gonna say kulelwa fast. Hey, it's last, there's no love, man. A second trust, heal, besukala pants. We never heal, we move on. Ngoba stand uqansi, silalana ngekhijazi. Ngapha siyagula sibale mawumbuza, umtsheli ngani umedi ngaphansi uvulelani. Lo mbuzo sala nami and disappointment hits hard. The lies namaphutha, shit it's all that breaks us. It's funny, we need love. We need love. Stranger.
Hey yo, I'm really a winner, man. I'm bigger, and when it comes to dope, you should have known that I'm a dealer, man. I'm straight illa, I roll with divine figures, and when it comes to shows, you should have known that I'm a killer, man. I grip the beat and go ahead to kill it with flows, like this is Broadway. Homie, I be giving you shows. The mistook me for a sheep, they didn't know I'm a goat. See, they were told they had to kill me to be free from a ghost, but that's mission impossible, and none of y'all are Tom Cruise. I'll have the souls open up like they're walking with torn shoes. I know I'm not a waiter, but check this bars that I'm serving. When I came in the game, it was so tight, kinda like it was a virgin. They thought that it was safe here, didn't see dangers emerging. They try to stop me, but the efforts are not working, because they didn't think, homie, we'll be splurging. We shooting a movie, Wave Sessions, a main character. They called me up to kill it, so I said, of course I made it, cuz. Thank you for the plug, I appreciate it big. The pros tagging this kid to come and murder up the beat. Let's go. Hey, check. Look, always do what it takes. Like I live in a full house, there's no room for mistakes. I don't cuddle with fakes. They say I look familiar. Put your 2 cents down, I am 1 in a million. They say the fire loner, a one-man army, a true soldier. Look, I'm just a youngin' that's ahead of his time. A smooth operator, you can tell when I rhyme that I'm lyrically gifted. I move like a bishop, but I'm still king, so don't get it twisted. New rappers, just new rappers, don't get involved. Never been to the dentist, but I like to floss. Whack rappers be hyped up, but got no bars. Their friends guessing them up, but they not really charged. But that's another topic. Lately I feel nostalgic. So many clowns in this game, it's like I'm at a circus. I got the game in the palm of my hand. Ain't gotta show my DNA just to prove I'm the man. Every day I stay fly, I'm like Peter Pan. I'm the man with the plan, well aware red flags. Look, fuck a rhyme, I can show you syllables. I spit food for thoughts and I ain't talking edibles. I got soul, you see this flow is surgical. You're sleeping on me, but truly, I ain't mad at you. The team captain, what's up? Woo! Yes, down!
Yo! I know. That was too much.
I know that was too much. That was too ela.